Social gatherings have moved to the virtual space, from family chat to happy hour, and even religious services and studies. In the Jewish community, many traditions like lighting Shabbat candles and Friday night prayer have moved online.
So every Saturday morning, a couple dozen people typically gather in our apartment to study the Parsha, which is the Torah portion. 3 weeks ago, it became impossible to congregate in person, so we moved our Torah study online.
Mar Gerson has been leading weekly Torah lessons from his Manhattan home for nearly 5 years now. His sessions are open to anyone interested, regardless of background.
The Torah is for all people. I mean, it says it in Deuteronomy, it's for all people to learn together, and that's what we try to do. Participants are Jews, Christians, Muslims, seekers of all kinds.
This week, the portion focused on the Haggadah, a Jewish text that sets forth the order of the Passover Seder.
The Haggadah itself is bizarrely not about the Exodus as much as it's about how to tell about the Exodus. It's very self-conscious about the task of speaking and educating and telling.
The weekly Torah portion isn't just about listening. It invites participants to weigh in by interpreting and discussing the meaning behind each story.
To read it, to discuss it, to interpret it, to really uncover the treasures that are all throughout it. Every time I read the text, every time I read a good commentary on the text, I learn something new. And what I learn new can often be life-changing.
While the lessons are fundamentally meant to be held in person, moving them online also comes with advantages.
Lots more people who've been able to join both our Saturday morning sessions, but also the sessions that we've been doing throughout the week, because there are no constraints on space.
Since no one knows when the next in-person Torah reading or holiday will take place, group video chats seem to be the ultimate substitute for the time being. In New York, Michelle Devone, News 12.